Hey YouTube, Adam here. The UPS man just dropped off some home brewing supplies, and I thought I'd do like an unboxing video. So here we go. Let's see which way is best to open this. I guess this is, since it's the right side up text and everything. So we'll see. There was I just got back into home brewing. I haven't homebrewed for a good couple years, so I needed like some extra stuff because some stuff I gave away, some stuff wasn't any good when I stopped homebrewing. So just kind of got back into it. Let's see what we got here. Oh, it's the Brewers Best equipment. So we got a Brewers Best Assessor, what is it? Beer brewing equipment kit. Okay, that's gonna come with 5-gallon carboy, 6-gallon fermenter, 6-gallon bottling bucket, easy no clean rinser, triple scale hydrometer, siphon hose and shutoff clamp, Brewers Best Brewing Guide, liquid crystal thermometer, lab thermometer, and drilled universal carboy bung. Also comes with a lid with a garment, airlock, auto siphon, bottle filler, twin lever capper, bottle brush, brew paddle, and equipment instructions. And all this was from homebrewing.org. This is a place here in Michigan, out of Ann Arbor. They've been doing, I think they've been doing it since the 90s. And here's a steel pot. It says on it. And the amber beer, the classic amber beer brewing kit. Let's see, that's this is the grains for the amber beer. This is the liquid extract. See, these are the hops. Oh, and the yeast. Real quick, I'm gonna throw these in the refrigerator. The Star Sand sanitizer. You always want to sanitize your equipment, and we'll go over that in another video. There's the top for that. All right, YouTube. Let's see what else we got. I'm gonna push this stuff right here. We're gonna see what we have in our Brewers Best box here. And I know I've read them off the descriptions and everything, but there's nothing like me. I'm a visual learner, so if you're anything like me, then hey. The carboy brush. There's probably gonna get foam peanuts all over my kitchen floor, but that's okay. What else is there? Here's the hydrometer and the brush. Hang on 1 minute, let me get a plastic bag so I get the box here. Siphon hose with a shutoff clamp. That'll come in handy. capper for capping the beer. It's a fermenting thing. Sitting in the garage. And a couple of buckets with peanuts all over them. Like I said, I knew I was going to get them all over my floor like we did when we made the tomato plants video. Just brochures and stuff. Brewing guy. Cool. And here's a mash paddle and an auto siphon. There for now. And one bottle filler. That's going to come in handy. Last but not least, I think, is the cap for the only thing that's missing here. We're good. We're in business. So that is that. Now, the next step is actually brewing with this stuff, and I'm not going to do that in this video, but in the next video we'll make a brewing video on how to brew. It's going to be probably a 2 or 3 part series, but we'll have a brew day, and we'll show you guys the ins and outs of the beginning of the brew. But cool. Hope you guys have a good day, YouTube, and look forward to seeing you in the future videos and everything. Have a good day. Bye.